Welcome to Workday. In this demonstration, I'll get you started using Workday. I'll walk you through need-to-know information, including basic concepts, navigation, and terminology. I'll also guide you through frequently used features, such as the worker profile and org chart. Keep in mind your Workday features and functionality may differ from others within the organization. When I first log into Workday, I see the home page. The home page lists any important announcements my company has recently shared. Inbox items are also shown here and can be easily accessed. The icons on the home page are called applications, which are organized by areas, like pay, benefits, and absence. Within applications, I can take actions or view information. Let's look at the pay application. Here, you can do things like view your pay slips or set up payment elections. I'll go back to the home page. Depending on your organization's configuration, you can rearrange the applications on your home page by clicking the Settings icon. I can also add or remove applications. I can also change the order they appear on the home page. If I make any changes, I want to be sure to click OK to save them, and Done to return to the previous page. Let's move on. Let's discuss Workday's search functionality. In the search field, you can search for people and tasks, such as request time off. You can also search for reports and business data. I'll find a colleague using the search field. The search categories help narrow or broaden my search. Now that I've found my colleague, I'll click his related actions to see his contact information and more available actions. Let's move on and discuss how these actions work in more detail. The Related Actions icon is a navigation tool. Right now, I'm viewing a colleague's related actions, but I can also view the related actions of other clickable objects I see. Using the Related Actions menu, I can perform an action related to that object. It's like a built-in menu off the object. Remember, these menu options can vary depending on your permissions in Workday. Here, we also see other navigation tools, such as buttons and links. Let's go back to the home page. I'll now look at my worker profile. From here, I can click my Actions button to see available actions. I can click any of the tabs, such as Job or Contact, for more information. I can also click links if needed. Another great thing about the worker profile is I can add my social networks as contact information. I'll click the Contact tab. Here, I can see my home and work contact information, including links to my Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts. If I want to edit this information, I can click the Edit button. Another great feature under Contact is the support roles. Here, I see roles supporting my job function, the employees who fill these roles, and the organization they support. If you ever need help or have a question, you can find a list of those in your organization who support you and your team here. Along with job and contact information, I can find my compensation or benefits information as well. Some of this information is view-only and can't be edited. I'll now show you how to find more information about your coworkers. I'll click the Team icon. Here, I see the org chart where I can view team members and the organization structure. I see my team members along the same row, with our manager above. I'll click the up arrow. This allows me to see my manager's team with their manager above. I can continue to navigate up to see higher management levels within the organization. If I wanted to take a closer look at any of my coworkers' profiles, I could simply click their name within the org chart. This takes me to their worker profile. I'll return to the home page. Lastly, I'll look at my inbox. Notice the notification on the inbox icon next to my profile. My inbox items also display right on the home page on the inbox card. This tells me I have inbox items awaiting my attention. I'll click the inbox card to access my inbox. Here, I see that I have an inbox task waiting for my action. Alternatively, I can click the Archive tab to see older items that have been resolved or are currently in progress. I'll click the Settings icon. Here, I see options to delegate task, reassign, or view details. These options may depend on the type of task. I'll return to the home page. Now that I've covered the basics of Workday, you should feel comfortable getting started. This completes the demonstration. Thank you for using Workday.